Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to make pictures go faster on TikTok. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to open your TikTok app and then click on the plus button found on the bottom mid of your screen. And then right here, since TikTok still doesn't have an option where you can change the duration of the pictures, what will I will be teaching you will be an alternative. So simply go to effects right here and then search for the green screen effect. So type in green screen and make sure to choose this effect which has 40.3 million posts. So click on it and then choose the photos that you want. For example, I will choose this one. So right here, you need to record. So for example, you want to record it to 1 second only. You need to press and hold onto the record button for 1 second. And then if you want to change the photos, make sure to click on effects once again, choose a photo, and then right here, do the same steps. So record. So let's say for example, now you want to record it for 2 seconds. So press and hold on this record button for 2 seconds. So that's it. That's how you can make pictures go faster on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.